my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you this slime. It's a bad slime mixed with a good slime. So it's not that good or not that bad. So I'm just going to show it to you guys. And I'm just going to explain how I made the slime and how I did the slime. Okay? So, I had this slime for over 4 months. And these 4 months, this was a really bad slime. Like, you couldn't even do this. Or you can't even do this. Or you can't even poke it. Okay, so I made a medium slime like this big, but the other one was like little, but it was really bad. So this slime, okay, I don't have to explain, guys. So it was like a bad slime or whatever, and then I made a good slime, and I'm like, it's kind of bad. This slime is so good, like I really like it. I just want to like stay with it. So I ended up mixing it with this one, and this one turned so good. But you can see the glue right there. I have water all over me. But I decided. Oh no. Oh no. Sorry, this is my slime. Okay. So then I start baby oil to the slime. It became so bad because I added too much baby oil, and it became so bad. Okay. And then I made another slime and mixed it to this one. That slime was really bad. So this one actually was really bad. So all of that stuff. And then I started adding baby oil again. And it turned good. Yay! That's actually like a very quick story. But you know, it doesn't matter. So this is a slime that I made over 4 months ago. It's kind of like a good slime. I don't know what to tell you. It's not bad, but it's not good. And I made this slime too. I have this one over a month to get out. It's in a pink thing. That one's blue, and this one, it's a lighter blue, but it's still the same thing. They're really little slimes. These are like my smallest slimes ever, I have ever made. This one is a dark blue one. This one is a bad slime. See, it's a really bad slime. I never played with this one, that's why. It's a bad slime, but should I mix them together? I'm gonna mix them together. Okay, let's put them back in the container. Oh. Wait, this one is the pink one. I think. I don't know. Put a little bit more. A little bit more. And then this in there. It's kind of hard to put stuff in here in a container. Put a little piece here and boom, boom. When I press it down, like, oh my god, so hard. Okay, done with this one. And I just got a random balloon inside, and it's squishy, just a balloon with nothing in it. And then, oh, okay, so, So I keep my activator here. I always use Tide because it is the best. Activator got baby oil. I got this container that this was in. I'll leave it in there. So then I got this fork that I always use for slime. And I got this. This is slime in it. I got 3 cups for slime. What is this? This is old slime that I made yesterday, but threw it away because it was bad slime. Oh, this is good. I'm gonna mix it to this one. I'm not gonna do it. I just put it in. Ooh, this feels actually really good slime. I don't have that much slime because I don't make slime every day, but I do make slime. An empty bottle of glue. This one is kind of filled and this one is empty. Coloring golden and green. Eyeshadow to make it pretty. And this thing for the eyeshadow. And that's it. So, let's see. Oh, there's paper. No one wants to see paper. So now I'm going to organize everything and put everything here. So, baby. There you go. Oh, no. I think it's all very good. Everything's up. Is this slime in my hair? Oh my god. Right there and bam. Right there. Take this off and this right there. So that's my little bag. Woo! So thank you so much for watching this and see you next time.